Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. Libras, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Libras, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, Libras, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards. We have Moon, Bear, and Tower. So, in your circumstances, guys, Libras, maybe in your work or in your personal life, in your relationship, you have a lot of dreams, a lot of expectations, guys, fantasies about your life. You are planning for certain things, maybe in your work or in your relationship, and you are you are having a lot of intuition also in certain circumstances. So there is some kind of an unconscious urge telling you or pointing you towards things that you need to do, and maybe the way you perceive your circumstances, the way you see things may differ today, guys. Maybe you may see things differently. For some of you, it may work well, but for some of you, there is a lot of illusion. So it may be based on what you truly feel in your heart of hearts. Maybe if you have a good intention about someone, you may see things in a brighter light. But if not, you may see that darker shade of that person. So it is the way you see someone, maybe, guys, and you have your intuition guiding you, guys, and maybe certain things may unfold in your life and it may simply look like some kind of a magic happening. So certain things may come true, whatever you imagine or whatever you expect may prove to be right, may come true, guys, and you may see it as some kind of a coincidence coming in your life. Maybe you expected to see someone and they will be there in front of you. Something like that sort may happen today, guys, Libras. And in your relationship, guys, Libras, you may have some doubts or something is not clear. Maybe you have huge expectations and dreams or fantasies about this relationship, but what you see with this person is something different. They are something different, not matching to your dreams and expectations. And maybe for some of you, you are asking someone suggestions. Maybe this person may be someone close to you, your friend, or someone reliable, someone from your family. So you are asking their suggestions and ideas, and this person is helping you out, guys. But whatever it is, there are some changes happening, circumstances unfolding, something beyond your control in your circumstances, guys. That may be the reason you are asking this person some suggestions what needs to be done. So we have this card for your relationship, guys, and it says letter. So some important communication is reaching you today, Libras. It may be from this person you are in relationship with. So you have an important message or an announcement coming today, guys, and it may not be a casual message. It may be something important for your relationship. So that is what I see, guys, uh, with these cards for your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys, Libras. So we have Cross. So there are a lot of responsibilities and burdens in your work situation, Libras. You have sacrificed a lot, you have done a lot, made a lot of efforts, but today you have that acceptance in your heart. You are trying to find that harmony and peace of mind no matter what your situation is, guys. And whatever the efforts you have done is surely going to pay off, guys. You need not worry. Hard work is never wasted, Libras. You need to understand that. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. That is the reading for you all today, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for you all, for those who chose this first card. It is Apache Tears. It's a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe you have too much sadness in your heart. You are thinking of your past person, your past love. So whatever happened, whatever the circumstances were, and it is simply weighing you down. So today you need to heal from that, guys, heal from that negative situation. So rejection, sadness is a form of a divine blessing, guys. So one day you will be able to see this circumstance with a different set of eyes. So you will have a more clearer vision, the reason why things went in such a way and what was the benefit or what you achieved with that sadness and rejection you are feeling today. So in your future you will be able to see what unexpected gifts these stressful sad times have given you, guys. You will realize that very soon. But with this card, this Crystal Spirit card asks you to keep your heart open so that you live more fully, more lovingly and more meaningfully from now onwards, guys. So whatever has happened has happened. So there is no way of changing it, but you can change your present and your future. So goodness is coming your way, happiness is coming your way, and your beautiful destiny is waiting to unfold. All you need to do is clear that negativity you have in yourself, release the past, wash away the old with the tears. Maybe you feel like crying, you just cry it out and release all that sadness and stress you feel. So you no longer need to hold on to these old emotions. That is not going to help you in any way, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says beyond the threshold of fear. So, in your circumstances, guys, you have some kind of a self imposed barrier of fear, something holding you back from moving forward. So, you are in that mindset, you want to take that big leap forward. You no longer want to be controlled by this fear. You no longer want to hold yourself back for this fear, and you no longer want to be the victim. You want to move forward in your life. Maybe in this relationship you have some fears, that is the reason holding you back, holding you from making that big step. But you are moving towards that big step, guys. You need not worry, because you are moving forward towards that, and you are going to feel so happy, free, just like flying, and you are going to feel that freedom, and you can trust in the vision you have, and fear is not going to hinder your vision, and it's not going to obstruct the way you see the truth. So you must give up this fear you have in your circumstance towards something. So that is what is pulling you back, weighing you down, holding you to a particular situation, and you feel that you are bound, and you are no longer you have that energy to move out. But today you have that confidence and courage in your heart to dispel all this fear and move forward in life, guys. So that is what I see. So you are going to be absolutely free, and you are going to have a clear vision what needs to be done in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in this relationship, and there is no more darkness for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.